words and rhymes that we've all found. A gate is for apple, round and red. It's crunchy and sweet, good food for your head. Apple, apple, yummy treat. Crunch, 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 so good to eat. B is for balloon, floating in the air. It rises so high, drifting here and there. Balloon, balloon, up so high, flying gently in the sky.
C is for car, driving down the street, with wheels that spin and a horn that goes beep. Eep, car, car, vroom, vroom, fast, racing by, zooming past.
E is for duck, swimming in the pond. It quacks and splashes all day long. Duck, duck, quack, quack sound, swimming, splashing all around. Clap your hands and sing with me. We are learning ABC. A, B, C, and D. Letters are fun for you and me.
E is for elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that swings and a call so long.
Elephant, elephant, stomp, 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 marching loudly. Tromp, tromp, tromp. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. It wiggles and swims so gracefully. Fish, fish, swish, swish, glide, darting quickly side to side. G is for giraffe, neck so high, it reaches the leaves near the sky. Giraffe, giraffe, tall and sweet, nibbling leaves it loves to eat. H is for horse, galloping fast, it runs through the fields, clip, clop, past. Horse, horse, neigh, neigh, call, strong and steady, proud and tall. E, F, sing along, it's easy to do, letters and sounds for me and you. E, F, G, and H, learning is fun, we love it so much.
I is for iguana, crawling slow, it climbs on rocks wherever they go. Iguana, iguana, green and small, creeping, crawling up the wall.
J is for jam, spread on bread, so tasty and sweet, enough said. Jam, jam, sticky and sweet, yummy, yummy, what a treat. K is for kite, flying bright, it dances and twirls in the light. Kite, kite, up so high, waving gently in the sky. L, is for lion, roaring loud, the jungle king, brave and proud. Lion, lion, hear me roar, rah, rah, forevermore. Come along, sing A to Z, learning letters is fun with me. I, J, K, and L, we can say them very well. M is for moon, shining at night, it glows in the sky, silver and bright. Moon, 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 shining high, lighting up the dark night sky. N is for nose, we used to smell flowers and cookies we know so well. Nose, nose, sniff, sniff, true, breathing in smells me and you. O is for orange, juicy and round, it's tasty and sweet when peeled all around. Orange, orange, peel and eat, juicy, fruity, oh so sweet. P is for panda, black and white, it munches on bamboo day and night. Panda, panda, cute and sweet, chewing bamboo as a treat. Letters, letters, sing along, learning is fun with a happy song. M, N, O, and P, clap your hands and sing with me. Q is for queen. Wearing her crown, she rules with kindness all around. Queen, queen, crown so bright, shining golden morning light. No R is for rose, pretty and red, soft little petals in a flower bed. No rose, rose, lovely to see, a flower for you, a flower for me. S is for star, twinkling above, it shines in the sky, a gift of love. Star, star, sparkle bright, glowing softly every night. The T is for tiger, strong and fast, with orange stripes, it runs so fast. Look, tiger, tiger, hear it roar, 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 forevermore more. Let's keep going, sing with me, more fun letters let's all see. Q, R, S, and T, alphabet is easy for me. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry when raindrops fall from the sky. Umbrella, Y, shelter us from rain outside. V is for violin, playing a tune, a lovely sound in the afternoon. All violin and violin, string and bow, soft sweet music, gentle flow. W is for water, cool and clear, we drink it daily, it brings us cheer. Water, water, sip, 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 refreshing drink with every sip. X is for xylophone, tap, tap sound, music and colors all around. Xylophone, xylophone, ding, ding, dong, play along with a happy song. Letters, letters, almost done, learning ABC is so much fun. U, V, W, X, what will come for us next? Y, I is for yo-yo, up and down, it spins and twirls round and round. Yo-yo, yo-yo, spinning fast, up and down it goes at last. Z is for zebra, stripes of black and white, running in the wild, what a sight. Zebra, zebra, fast and free, galloping wild with joy and glee. We sang our letters A to Z, from apple to zebra, come sing with me.